gang, gang. Hey, 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 go. Got left for dead, don't need no promo. Take something, that's a no-no. Speak on Splat, get hit with Drake though. We left his ass with K-Ho. Ops be broke, they can't relate though. We spinning shit on Dale's braid, he should've called the face ho. The next time he ain't gon' make it, we gon' spin him with the Drake though. Hey man, all these pussy ass niggas already know how to fucking play with SB nigga. Switch gang nigga. You already know we ain't never give a fuck. We standing on business nigga. Fuck the odds nigga. Gang. Know I murder shit for sure. If a nigga slide up on my block, I bet I send him home. Me and bro up in this bitch, you know we pass switches for sure. He got hit up with that, his bitch ass can't even walk no more. Had them tripping over each other, they was falling like we bowling. Walk up on them, stand up on them. I heard that nigga dissing Splat, we gon' put that shit right on. These niggas backwards is a bitch, they tryna shoot and then they tell. We been stepping on y'all shit, y'all know we fucking causing hell. Cause I'm a demon nigga, I ain't never ran out pot out, he ran when he seen me nigga. Hop out here, ho, he never hopped out, I'm a faceful nigga. With that fucking trailer nigga, looks like he got faceless nigga. He can't walk no more, you know we coming back and straight so nigga. It's a dirty game, we run your man down with them switches nigga. Bitches deal away and I'm coming back, that nigga finished nigga. Bet that glitty spray, that fucking tech, that bitch gon' hit him nigga. Not no DMX, my dog gon' get you, she acquitted nigga. With the bros sippin' on that walk nigga. If you try to spin up on that block, you getting popped nigga. Ain't no fucking glow game, but pussy we on top nigga. He got his head fucking smacked for talking, not no hot nigga. Left for dead, don't need no promo. Take something, that's a no-no. Speak on Splat, get hit with Drake though. We left his ass with KO's ops, we broke, they can't relate though. We spinning shit on Dale's braid, he should've called his face so. The next time he ain't gon' make it, we gon' spin it with the Drake though. We flipping shit like bagels, pussy duck and hit that switch blow. Been ducking for so long, his ass got tight, he ain't shoot shit ho. And for the bitches dick rider, I advise you stay up in your place, cause bullets they don't gotta name the Drake and hit your fucking face. Don't give a fuck, I don't play no games. Bitch, you better stay up in your place, cause you could die today. It dissing with the ops on IG post, that's police games. Speaking on my cousin, lock her off, you gon' get faced. Ain't no fucking justice for that shit, she shouldn't have said a thing. Just like the other dyke bitch, you gon' catch a face. You know that is murder gang. How you speaking on my brother's name? They just run a train. How the fuck you clicking with the odds, man? That shit is fake. Keep it real, your ass, man. We put your ass right in your place. Ain't no talking, we hella paid. I'm a great nigga, dig your fucking mans up. He a dead nigga. I ain't got a answer. Saying nigga, knock his fucking head off like he got cancer. Go pick your mans up, take your fucking mans, kidnap him like for ransom. Get his ass tapped, no coming back, now he a dead one. Left for dead, don't need no promo. Take something, that's a no-no. Speak on Splat, get hit with Drake though. We left his ass with KO's ops, we broke, they can't relate though. We spinning shit on Dale's bro, he should've called the face so. The next time he ain't gon' make it, we gon' spin it with the Drake though. Gonna leave his ass with K-Hoes. We gon' leave his ass with K-Hoes.